Hello guys, Game Boy Hub here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. So as I said in one of my past DS tutorials, this DS's top screen is gone. The screen itself does still work, but if I turn it on, you will see that it has a giant burn-in. You actually can't see it on the menu right over here. So I just went into my R4 card menu and you can see the giant burn-in. And yeah, pretty much only like 70% of the screen is visible in this way. So what we're going to be doing today is fixing that. So I ordered the new screens off of AliExpress. They were about $17. And you might already be saying that this repair is not worth it because you can find a working DS Lite for like $10. And that is probably true, but since I already have this DS, I wanted to fix it. And also I have this DS's original box and all the manuals and stuff, so it'll be really nice to have the DS working. So yeah, let's just slice into the package and open up the screen. And yeah, I actually ordered both screens, so I ordered the bottom and the top screen. And I did think about replacing the bottom screen as well because I have no idea how long this one has been used. But honestly, I'll just decide about doing that later when I take apart the DS. But yeah, I just ordered both because one screen was like $13 and then for $4 extra I could get the other one, so why not, I guess. So I believe that this bigger one is the top screen, so let's open it up. And here it is, looks pretty good. So yeah, now I'll just do a little time lapse of me replacing the screen, and I will be right back with the finished product. Right, and after about 2 hours I'm finally done with the repair. And as you can see, the DS is working great, both screens are clear and also the sound works, which was my main concern because I wasn't sure if I soldered the speakers back on correctly. I did end up changing the bottom screen as well, not because the last one was bad, but because I already had it on hand, so I thought why not do it. And I also unfortunately ended up breaking the original digitizer from this DS. I broke the smaller ribbon cable. But yeah, thankfully I had a spare from a DS Lite that I tried to fix like 2 years ago. So yeah, it all worked out in the end. So yeah, I must say that this was one of the trickier repairs I attempted. The hardest part was probably to get the ribbon cable from the new screen to go through the hinge. And honestly, after I got it through, I was 100% sure that I broke it, but as you can see, it works. So yeah, I probably wouldn't recommend the DS Lite if you just want to try out your first repair. You'll probably have more luck with a Game Boy Color or something like that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Also, please check out my Twitter and Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video.